Okay, box break number 9. We're going top and left for this break. Good luck, everyone. As you can see in the background, I have 3 more boxes that I'll be posting on eBay. We have a top loader, and we have the regular packs. Players on top and left go to that team. I'll switch that up a little bit on the next breaks. This is the first time I've opened this product. Here we go. Top loader first. Jim Fregersey, Los Angeles Angels. 50th anniversary Topps, 63. Is this a reprint? I'll have to figure that out. It almost looks like the real thing. We'll see. Cubs, Diamondbacks, Tigers, Phillies, Molina and McCann for the Nationals, Victor Martinez, Tigers, Chrome, out of 1963, Red Sox, Brewers, checklist. I like to just name off the team names so that you all know what you're getting. If it's something big, I'll let you know. Mariners, Giants, Braun for the Brewers, Morneau for my Twinks, Tigers, Diamondbacks, Ichiro, Mariners, Athletics, Angels, Trumbo. Rangers, Brewers, Blue Jays, Yankees, Joe Benson rookie, my Twinks, Texera, Chrome out of 1963, 526. Mets, Cardinals, checklist. Diamondbacks, Giants, Angels, Minnesota Twins, Dumit. Okay. Marlins, Rays, Robinson Cano, sticker, Yankees, rookies for the Twinks, Benson, Hendricks, Parmelee, Waldrop. Strasburg for the Nationals. This is a beautiful looking product. Phillies, Giants, Nationals, Cardinals, Kyle Loesch, Orioles, Red Sox, Smashers, Ortiz, Gonzalez, Orioles, Cardinals, Pujols, Indians, Jason Donald. Rangers, Kinsler, Ellsbury, Red Sox, Tigers, Delman Young, Mr. Mauer for my Twinks. Top and left, Jose Reyes, Mets. Kansas City Royals, top and left, Kershaw. Dodgers. Oh, that's a nice cutout of Lincecum. Cubs, Orioles. Found 4 of my Twins so far. That's nice. Tigers, Brewers, Randy Wolf. Bosch, Tigers, Astros. Dodgers, Don Mattingly, manager. Kansas City Royals, team card. Ryan Braun sticker. Blue Jays, Romine, Yankees rookie. Bumgarner, Giants, Indians, Twins, Jamie Carroll. Braves, Pirates manager, Astros. Man on the left, Hank Aaron. Milwaukee Braves. Milwaukee Braves moved on to Atlanta Braves. Tampa Bay Rays, Montero, rookie, who I thought was a Yankee, but this back feels heavier. Reds, Jay Bruce. Tigers, Cubs, Garza. Man on the left. Nationals, Tim Malone, or Maloney. Phillies, Rangers, Gibson, Diamondbacks, manager. Flashback, Cleveland Indians, early win. McCutchen, Pirates, Marlins, Velasco. Rangers, Rodriguez, Yankees. Dodgers, Tomei for the Phillies, huh? Alright. Cardinals, Freeze. Deep freeze makes Texas toast. Orioles, team card. Athletics, Russell Martin. I guess he's going to be the catcher instead of Montero. Yankees, Giants, Cabrera, Melky Cabrera. Phillies, Indians, Astros, Yankees, Rivera, there he is. Rangers, World Series, Pujols, Josh Hamilton. Man on the left, Josh Hamilton. This goes to the Rangers. Flashback, Soviet cosmonaut, pioneering cosmonaut, first woman in space, 1963. Left-hand corner, Diamondbacks, with Zach Greinke Kershaw with a beard, it looks like. Ricky Romero, Blue Jays. Stubbs, Reds, Phillies, White Sox, Mets, Dickey. Man in the upper left, Brett Pill, 2012. Rookie stars. Giants, Mariners, Minnesota Twins, Revere. What an outfielder. Cardinals, Indians. I'm happy. I'm finding some more Twins. Usually I get stuck with one or two. That's exaggerating. Rangers, Yankees, Texera. I'll have to look at the other Texera card. Maybe it's that switch, black and white. Yankees might be in luck there. Braves. Or they could have just thrown in two Texeras. Rangers, Phillies. Man in the upper left, Matt Dominguez. Marlins. Rookie stars. What are the short prints? Yankees, rookie. Dodgers, Lowry, Blue Jays. Angels, Cubs, Pujols with his new Angels uniform. Angels, 3 Angels in that. Braves, Royals, Pirates, man in the upper left. Twinks, goes to me. Matt Kemp, Dodgers. We have yet to hit any hit. Jackson, Tigers, Orioles, Santana, Indians, Guzman, Padres, Nationals. There's one of our hits. Jose Reyes, Mets, game used memorabilia. One color jersey. Congratulations, Mets. CCR-JR. Reyes. Matt Dominguez, Marlins, upper left-hand corner. I think that's we have a dupe of that. Padres. Padres, Reds, Braves, Athletics, Johan, Mets, Victor Martinez, New Age Performers, Tigers. Doesn't look like we haven't seen one of those yet. Madden, Rays, Rockies, rookie. This one feels heavy too. It looks like a chrome. Lance Berkman, Cardinals, Tigers, Reds, Veteran Masters, Rivera, Girardi, rookies. Astros, Phillies, team card. Ooh, Adrian Gonzalez, Red Sox, chrome. 1885 out of 1963. Congrats, Boston. Rangers, Mets, checklist. Angels, Yankees, Gardner, Giants, Buster Posey, Giants, man in the upper left, Kemp, Dodgers, with Pujols in the center. Cubs, flashback, Ernie Banks, your Chicago Cubs. Congrats, Cubs there. Indians, Astros. Look for one real autograph or relic card in every box. Oh. So was the Jose Reyes the only thing? Phillies, Giants, Rays, Ugla, Chipper, Braves, Rays, Dodgers, man on the left, Sandy Koufax, Dodgers, Marlins, Astros. Markham, Brewers, Cardinals, Jason Hayward, Braves. Maybe this here is his year. Royals, Yankees, Soriano, Reds, Rockies, Rangers, Soto, Cubs. 4 more packs, guys. Braves, Posada, Yankees, Athletics, Rays, Hellickson, Reds. This is the second New York Mets team card, I believe. Halladay, Phillies, mini sticker card. Stick 'em anywhere. White Sox, Cubs, Starlin Castro. 3 more packs. Pirates, Red Sox, White Sox, Phillies, Papelbon, White Sox, Pierre, Angels, Feds versus Government, University of Alabama Integrated. Man in the upper left, Detroit Tigers, Verlander. Man in the middle is Shields. Trout, Angels. These are exciting cards. Lester, Nationals, Lester, Red Sox, Nationals, Indians. Oh, there's where Jason Kubel went, huh? Diamondbacks. Well, we'll miss him. Astros, Reds, Angels, Mr. Gardenhire for the Twinks. Manager, White Sox. Manager of the Year, I think, twice. At least in American League. Last pack, guys. Here we go. Dodgers, Mets, Moonshot Scott Baker. Watch those balls fly. Oh, man. Hopefully this year. Giants, Mariners, Orioles, Guerrero, Vlad, Ryan Braun. This is the second New Age I pulled out of this box. Looks like they're a little rare, huh? New Age performers, Brewers, Phillies, Charlie Manuel, and Dodgers. Okay, well, I will get these out to you either tomorrow or Tuesday. Here's the hit of the hour. Jose Reyes for the Mets. Again, I do this because I'm looking for my team, the Twins, and what a thrill it is to just break open packs for all of you. Top and left, that's the team that your card goes to. And take a look behind the card, behind my sticky pad. I have box break number 10, 11, 12 that I'll be posting on eBay ASAP. I hope you'll join me for the rest of my breaks, and have a good week. I'll see you soon.